Hi, Debbie Reed, final project for MIT 812, Multimedia Applications. I decided to use Animoto with Screencast-O-Matic to kind of show you how Animoto works. And basically, I've written an entire paper summarizing the class, and what I'm going to do tonight is show you how you can create an Animoto video and use it for instructional purposes. You can use it for personal purposes as well, you're basically going to see the Animoto I created, my reaction to the class at the beginning and the end. So I'm going to show you a little bit about Animoto real quick. You begin by creating an account at Animoto.com. Just register. You'll get a very short time limit, but you can either buy or the school was able to get extended accounts with a promo code, so that's what I'm using. And then you go to your Create button, and the first thing that's going to come up is the different styles that you can choose from. If it's a pro version, it's something that you'll have to pay a little bit more money for, and you just choose whatever style you would like to use, and they'll let you preview them. You just hit play, and you can see what they are, and then once you've selected which style you want, you go to creating your video, and it takes just a second to upload. You start by adding say your pictures. So add pictures. You can go upload them from your own account. That's what I did today. You might have something on Facebook saved, all these various images, but I uploaded all of mine from my personal files on my laptop. And some of the slides that I created were actually PowerPoint slides that I saved as a JPEG. So once you save them as a JPEG, they're going to show up in your picture file as well. I took a couple pictures real quick, inserted a little video, which you'll see later on. But simple upload. Click on what you want to upload, and they're going to create these small boxes with all your photos and videos. And then if you want to, you can add text boxes in between. So type. Oops. Have my key lock on. Type what you want. And it has character limits and smaller characters, so you know how far you have or how much space you have to type. So once again, just type what you need, and then it'll save. And you can do several. I'm going to show you one more just so you can see what happens. Let's see what happens. And we'll save that one. And what you can do, I just want to show you, can move your little tiles around and create. And then the length of your video is going to show up here. Right here I have a 10-second video is all. Spotlighting, if you do a spotlight, it just stays on that photo or video a little bit longer. But you rearrange, and then you're able to preview your video to see whether you like it or not, make changes, and so forth, and get to your final project. And once you publish it, it gives you numerous ways to share your video, whether you want to put it on Facebook, you want to email it to a friend. I emailed it to myself, and then I saved my link so that I could get to it real quick for you. So we'll just Control-click. It'll take a second to load it, and here's my published video. And your cover photo is always something random, and of course, what do they get but one of my favorite photos of myself here. But I want you to see my little Animoto I created. And it's just kind of a reaction to my class, but you can read my full paper if you'd like to about the summarizing the class. But this is kind of just my reactions to the class. I'll show you real quick. A good article. Interesting. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that was going on in the world. Wow. These are great. So that's my video. You can share. You can, a lot of uses. My kids have loved to use them, and I've enjoyed the class. I enjoyed collaborating with all my classmates. I've learned so much from all of you. I appreciate all the topics we've learned from. I've got numerous notes about different multimedia applications that I'm hoping to use this year, so I appreciate all my classmates sharing what you have. Ms. Hauk, it was a great class. I recommend anybody taking it. So thank you and have a good evening.